morning, teacher. We are going to present dialogue.
Hello, how are you?
Quitan and you.
Will,
What is your name?
my name is Jaime, and yours?
My name is Lorena. What degree are you studying?
I study business administration, and you?
I studying lab. Where do you live?
I live in Callao. And where do you live?
I live Mocope.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is me. And your is.
I like soccer.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.